it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. So, you know how when you are on Pinterest and you're just scrolling through and you see so many pictures, so many cute outfits, so many cute hairstyles, hacks, DIYs, and you can find yourself spending so much time on Pinterest. Well, one of the things I love to do is pin nails, being as that I am a cosmetologist, an inexperienced cosmetologist and nail tech. I love to pin nails in occasional recipes that I'll never recreate, but maybe one day. But I love to pin nails, and I wanted to recreate one, so this is the one I picked to recreate. Is from TONYSNAILS on Instagram. I'm gonna start with this pure ice nail polish in 1066, and then I'm gonna have this holographic powder to do the ombre, these cosmetic wedges to apply the holographic powder, and I'm gonna start out by polishing the nails. Mistake number one, I didn't buff the nails, so I'm going to paint the nails without buffing them, and then I'm gonna just go in with a second coat after the first coat is completely dry. The key with doing regular nail polish with gel top coat is that you have to let it dry completely, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm taking my Kiara Sky top coat, and this is a wipe top coat. It has a tacky layer, and I'm just gonna paint over my nails with one coat of Kiara Sky top coat, and then after I paint over it, I'm gonna cure it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. After I've done my first layer of top coat, I'm gonna go in with my cosmetic sponge and my holographic powder, and I'm just gonna pack it on to the tip of the nail first. I'm only gonna pick up a little amount. You don't need a lot of this because you don't want your nails to be clumpy. And then as you can see on the thumb, I was just feathering it down a little bit to create that ombre effect, and then I'm going back and I'm patting it on the tip again just to make it more prominent on the tip, and then have it fade down. So I'm just gonna do that with all of my nails. And then after I've done that, I'm gonna go back in with another layer of another coat of the Kiara Sky top coat, and I'm going to cure again for 60 seconds. Would I say it's a complete fail? No. Would I say it was a complete success? No. Tony's nails was probably like sculpted nails. He's really good at acrylics and things like that. Mine was the Kiara Sky dip powder, which if you want to see my thoughts on it, I have a video about that if you want to check it out. But you know, they don't give you much customization with the dip powder system, but it is quick and easy. This is how they look in comparison with Tony's nails. You know, I'm not, you know, seasoned enough, you know, for my shape to be absolutely perfect and my form to be absolutely perfect. So, you know, it'll get better with work. I'm gonna keep doing these recreations. So, let me know if you have any specific recreations you want me to do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.